Right now, AI tools fall into two main types. Chatbots, like Gemini, they answer questions. An AI agent, it can answer your questions and can also work inside your apps, taking real actions. For AI to use software, you need to connect it first. Think of hiring a new teammate. You must install software for them to use them. There are tools out there that make this much easier. They let your AI agent use your apps easily. Zapier is one option. In this video, I'll demo Zapier MCP. To let AI use your tools, MCP is the common way. I explained MCP in a previous video. Here is the quick version first. Simple. Usually, tools connect through an API. For example, inside Manus can use an API. Then Manus can create a post and publish it there. Or connect Facebook by API. Inside Manus, create an image, then post it straight to Facebook, and more. That is the API approach. Imagine this. Your company has 200 people in marketing and finance. Each team now needs different apps for work. If you manage AI tools for the company, you need to help hundreds of coworkers connect their AI to APIs. It can be done, but it is slow. Each person may need 4 or 5 tools. If you have 200 coworkers, connecting each tool one by one, near 1,000. So if an API is like a USB cable, MCP is like a USB hub. It can connect several tools at once, plug in one hub for accounting, and all the tools are ready. No need to connect them separately. Another benefit, this hub is reusable. You can use it in Manus. You can use it in Claude or use it in Perplexity or other tools. Say this hub is for accounting. Accounting may need software like Xero. They may also need Excel and so on. And this accountant prefers Perplexity. Once the accounting MCP is set up, that team can use it in the AI tool they prefer. You give that person one link. They paste it into their Perplexity account and access both apps there. MCP also manages permissions. For example, it may only read data. It may write some data, but delete access can stay blocked. So to use AI agent, well, you must understand MCP. Now let's apply it. I'll use Manus for this demo. Many tools support MCP. In Manus, left connect, then add a connector. I choose Custom MCP. Now add the MCP. At the top, add a name. Say Zapier MCP. Below that, you just paste the Zapier MCP link. It lets Manus access those tools. Next, go into Zapier's interface. Open Zapier first, search MCP, log in. On screen, click Add MCP Server, top left. Here, it already lets you choose a connection to Manus. So choose Manus. Then, under Tools, choose the software your company uses. For example, I'll add LinkedIn here, because inside Manus, LinkedIn is not built in by default. So MCP can help to connect LinkedIn. Now choose permissions. Allow posting only. I won't give other functions. Connect. Next, log into LinkedIn. Then I can authorize this MCP so Manus can use it. Let's say this MCP server is for marketing. I'll rename it marketing. Again, one MCP can connect many tools. Here, I'll also connect HubSpot, a CRM. This MCP can only find contact records and add contact records. No deletes, safer. 2 permissions. Connect. You can keep adding tools marketing needs. After adding them, click Connect above. Zapier creates the MCP link. First, generate token, then copy the link from Zapier, paste it into Manus. Of course, this link is like a password. You should not share it. After recording this, I will remove this link too. Save. Next, I go back to Manus. I ask it to test this Zapier MCP for me and list the available tools. Then it writes a detailed article listing all the included tools. These are the tools we saw, like ActiveCampaign, Gmail, and Facebook. So you see, when marketing needs many tools like this, and you do not use MCP using APIs, connecting each one for teammates, now you can share one MCP link with the whole team, with the department. Then everyone can use these tools instantly. You can add tools later whenever the team needs them, or remove permissions whenever needed. It's very easy to manage. Note that this tool is free to use, but the monthly limit is 100 users. So if used and the AI cannot find a tool, your quota is probably used up. In our June 13 full-day Manus workshop, besides teaching Zapier MCP, we also teach another free better value MCP. 1 month earlier, on May 23, we have a 5 coding workshop. They will teach that part in the workshop. We first ran it as a 3-hour class. After student feedback, we felt more time would be better, so you can try it. So we changed it to 6 hours. The focus is tools used by professional developers, including GitHub, Supabase, and Cloudflare. Participants need basic computer skills. You should use a computer, not a phone. You also need basic API understanding. If you join the last 5 coding class, you get half price as a repeat student for the 6-hour class. Also, anyone who joined our OMP workshops before get $300 off. For the discount, DM our Facebook with your registration email. To learn more about the course, tap the link below